Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Watch Me Wrench with your host, Mr. Wrench. And for those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, thank you. And if you could click the like and subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. It means a lot to a small channel like mine. So this is going to be a quick video on how to get rid of that annoying trailer hitch rattle. As some of you may know, I recently picked up a trailer for my Corvette. Now, when I went to pick up my trailer, the ride home was absolutely horrific. It was about 9 hours of this. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 9 hours of this. It was absolutely maddening. So the whole ride home, I was like, there's got to be a way how to stop this. And at one point I pulled over and I jammed cardboard in between all here. That only lasted for like maybe 2 seconds, literally. So I went on the internet and I found a device called a Hitch Tightener. And I'm going to show you that right now. So let's go over to my bench and let's take a look at this Hitch Tightener. So you guys don't have to deal with that like I did for 9 hours. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so here it is. This is a hitch tightener. Pretty simple. You've got this U-bolt, this plate, 2 lock washers, 2 regular washers, and 2 3/4 inch nuts. And all you need is a 3/4 inch socket or a 3/4 inch wrench, like this one here. This one cost me, with tax, $13.68. There are many variations of hitch tighteners, so jump on the internet and take a look. Some are cheaper, some are more expensive, but this is the one I got. So let me get this set up and let me show you how to install it and how it works. I'll be back. Nice. Okay, so the first thing you do is remove the hitch. Slide this over like that. Reinsert it. Put your pin in. Take the plate. Now you want this part, the part that's bent upwards, to be pushing up against the tongue. So like that. And then it's just a matter of the washer, the lock washer, and the 3/4 inch nut. And then another washer, the lock washer, and the second nut. And just take your wrench or your ratchet and tighten them up. Oh. Now, look at this. The tongue is now almost solidly mounted to the hitch. No rattling at all. Oh my gosh, if only I had this that day when I picked up my trailer. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty simple. Again, there are different variations of a hitch tightener on the internet. So go around and do some shopping. Perhaps I'll post a link to this one that I bought. I just checked, and it's now they're now selling this for $17.59 plus tax, so it's a little more now. No more annoying trailer hitch rattle. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to a small channel like mine. I enjoy helping you guys out, and I enjoy the positive feedback. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll respond, as I always do. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.